And that's what I was saying, that you can farm a kettle here as well. Like these guys will go back to their house in the evening, and it's very convenient when you're living in the mountain, to farm a kettle as well, because then, no, although there's a lot of responsibilities, you have to clean after them, look after them, तो वो करना पड़ता है, गोबर वोबर उठाने पड़ते हैं, घास वास काटनी पड़ती है, that's all there, but yes, that's nice. I mean, you can leave them in the morning, you know escort them towards the mountain, towards the greenery, and so that they can feast here. And then फिर evening में जब उनका पेट भर जाता है, and they also feel like it's time to go back, so ये आ जाती है वापस. I don't know why she's following me. Yeah. She's got eyelashes. Pretty woman. And this younger crowd, younger people. Nice.